Unveiling the magic, the glow stick costume. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and colorful topic that lights up parties, events, and festivals around the world: the glow stick costume. Whether you're a fan of vibrant celebrations or curious about English phrases and their meanings, this video is for you. Let's illuminate the details together. A glow stick costume isn't just any outfit. It's a creative ensemble that incorporates glow sticks, those luminescent tubes that glow in the dark. These costumes are popular at nighttime events, such as music festivals, Halloween parties, or any occasion where making a bright and bold statement is the goal. The key components include glow sticks, clear tape, and usually, a black outfit as the base to make the colors truly pop. Before we delve deeper into the costume itself, let's understand what makes glow sticks glow. Glow sticks produce light through a process called chemiluminescence, a chemical reaction that releases energy in the form of light. This reaction is initiated when the glow stick is bent, breaking the inner tube and mixing two chemicals together. The result? A magical, glowing light that doesn't require electricity or batteries. Creating your own glow stick costume is both fun and simple. Here's what you need to do. 1. Choose your design. It could be anything from simple patterns to elaborate shapes or characters. 2. Prepare your outfit. A dark-colored outfit works best as it makes the glow sticks stand out. 3. Activate the glow sticks. Bend them until they start glowing. 4. Attach the glow sticks. Use clear tape to attach the glow sticks to your outfit following your chosen design. 5. Safety first. Always follow the safety instructions on the glow stick packaging to prevent any chemical exposure. Layering. Use different colors and sizes of glow sticks to add depth and dimension to your costume. Movement. Consider how the costume will look when you move. Designs that emphasize motion can have a stunning effect. Longevity. Since glow sticks only glow for a limited time, plan your costume for events that last a few hours to maximize the effect. And there you have it. A guide to making your own glow stick costume and understanding the magic behind it. We hope this video not only brightens your day but also inspires you to create your own glowing masterpiece for your next nighttime event. Remember, creativity knows no bounds when it comes to expressing yourself. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting content. Shine on!